Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build your brand story with StoryBrand easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by understanding the concept of a brand story. Identify the main character in your story. Your customer is the hero of the narrative. Clarify the problem your hero is facing. Make sure it's a relatable challenge your audience understands. Introduce your brand as the guide. Position your brand as trustworthy and empathetic. Showcase your authority by sharing relevant experience. Present a clear plan that your hero can follow. Outline steps that make it easy for them to succeed. Highlight the positive outcomes of following your plan. Paint a vivid picture of success for your customer. Clearly define what failure looks like. Help your audience understand the consequences of not solving their problem. Reinforce why your brand is the best choice to guide them. Use testimonials and social proof to build credibility. Create a call to action that is clear and compelling. Make sure it's easy for customers to take the next step. Use visuals to support your story. Consider incorporating graphics that represent your points. Edit your content to keep it concise and engaging. Test your brand story with a small audience. Gather feedback to refine your narrative. Revise based on the responses you receive. Integrate your brand story into all marketing channels. Ensure consistency across your website, social media, and ads. Track the effectiveness of your brand story. Measure engagement and adjust your storytelling approach accordingly. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.